Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you 3 different meals that I make for my family, 3 common meals that I make that are pretty simple and easy. And the first one that I wanted to show you guys was turkey tacos. This is basically just turkey meat that I season myself, and I wanted to show you how I season the turkey meat with ingredients from my pantry. I make my turkey in my cast iron skillet. This is about 3 pounds of ground turkey for my family of 8 that is eating. We have 9, but 8 are eating. I use cumin, and I don't measure it. I just eyeball it pretty much. I've done it so many times. A little bit of garlic powder. Then I add in some chili powder. And then some of the Knorr chicken bouillon seasoning, as well as some red pepper flakes. And I just put all of that in there after I have browned up the turkey meat, and I mix it all together, and it's really good. We switched over from ground beef to ground turkey a few months ago, and I actually prefer, I prefer the ground turkey over the ground beef. So then we're just going to mix all that together. And here is how it looks when it is finished. And then we just serve that on tacos, taco salad, have it for leftovers. The next meal I'm going to show you guys is my Instant Pot corned beef and cabbage. So I just cook my corned beef in the pressure cooker with seasonings. I use the seasoning that comes with the corned beef, as well as some onions and some water. Once I have pressure cooked it for about 85 minutes, that's how long it takes to get tender, I'll remove it to a serving dish and then cover it with some plastic foil while I get ready to make the cabbage. This particular recipe also has potatoes. The recipe on my blog calls for potatoes and carrots. I didn't have carrots, so that's why I didn't use them. And here is my cabbage. I'm just going to take all of the outer leaves off of the cabbage before I cut it into wedges. Once I get it cut into wedges, I'm going to throw away that core and then slice the cabbage and put it back into the pressure cooker. Now I'm going to chop some golden potatoes. I love golden potatoes over russet potatoes or even red potatoes. I just prefer the golden ones. I'm going to chop those and add them right in there with the cabbage. And then I'm going to pressure cook them for just a few minutes. I think I did about 8 minutes on this. You can even do it for 3 minutes. Potatoes and cabbage cook really, really fast in the pressure cooker. So once all of that is done, I plate it all up together, and that serves our family with plenty of leftovers. This last meal I'm going to share with you is my cheat chicken and dumplings because it is not totally made from scratch. All I've got in here is some chicken tenderloins, some frozen vegetables, some cream of chicken soup, and then like 2 cups of chicken broth. And then I pressure cook that for however long it takes to make the chicken cook through. I was using frozen chicken breasts, and I always pressure cook those for about 25 minutes. And then for my dumplings, I am using biscuits, canned biscuits. So this is why it's a cheat, because you don't have to make the dumpling dough. And all we're going to do is flatten out those biscuits, cut them into fourths, and then put them back in the pressure cooker, pressure cook it up for, actually we're not going to pressure cook it. We're going to put the pressure cooker on saute and let that all saute together for about 20 minutes or so, just until the biscuits are cooked through. This is how it looks when it is finished, and my whole family loves it. The chicken is nice and tender, there's veggies in there, and the biscuits taste really, really good. And that is what it looks like for all of us. So that is 3 quick and easy recipes. I will have them linked down below if you want to make them yourself. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.